How to add or remove the Smart Suggestions widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then go to the home screen page that you want to add the Smart Suggestion widgets. And here, touch and hold on the home screen. Then tap on Widgets. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Smart Suggestions. In here, touch and drag on the widget and drop it on the home screen. Then in here, you can also resize the widget. You can make it larger or smaller. Then tap on outside the box to save the changes. Now you can touch and hold on the widget. Then tap on Settings. In here, you can customize the widget background color to black or white. You can also change the transparency of the widget. Then tap on Saved. Now to remove the widget, simply touch and hold on that. Then tap on Remove. And that's it. So that is the Smart Suggestions widget on the home screen. So it is a feature designed to anticipate your needs and offer helpful shortcuts or actions based on your usage patterns and context. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching.